In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Wix Studio. This process is pretty straightforward, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to open a web browser on your device. You can use anything you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, whichever you're most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, type Wix into the search bar and hit Enter. This search is going to bring up various options. Look for the official Wix website link and click on it to open. Next, you'll need to log in. On the Wix homepage, you should see a login button. It's typically at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and now enter your email address and password. If you've got your details stored in a password manager or autofill, this step should be a breeze. Successfully logging in will take you directly to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your site's dashboard. The dashboard is like your control center for managing everything related to your Wix site. It's where you'll find all the tools you need to customize and oversee your website's operations. Look out for your dashboard link, usually accessible from the homepage after logging in. Now, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu with various options. Locate the one labeled Settings and give it a click. This will redirect you to a page brimming with different settings you can fine-tune according to your site's needs. Scroll through the settings options, and under the section titled Finance and Payments, you'll find Accept Payments. Click here to proceed to the next step, which is crucial because this section is where you establish the methods you want to offer your customers when they make a purchase on your site. Within Accept Payments, you'll see several payment method options. Wix Payments, PayPal, manual payment methods, among others, are available for you to choose from. Carefully review these options. If this is your first time setting them up, Wix provides useful descriptions and instructions on the benefits and use cases for each option. So take a moment to consider which one best suits your business model. Once you've made your decision, select the payment method you want to use and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your Wix account. This process will involve providing some important pieces of information, including your business details and bank account information. Make sure all the info is accurate to ensure smooth processing of your customers' payments. And there you have it. You've now set up your Wix site to accept payments. Following these steps will ensure that your site is ready to take transactions efficiently, helping you manage your e-commerce needs with ease. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.